and welcome to my channel. I just found out that I'm pregnant, but I'm sure my guys here already have figured out that something's up. As I have a very close bond with my dogs, I want them to be part of my journey and actively prep them for the arrival of their future sibling. Now, if you are expecting as well and are getting your dog ready for your baby, please leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Dogs just love routines and thrive on predictability. But our daily lives will dramatically change with the arrival of a newborn. And not only this, but my dogs will also no longer be the center of my attention. As I don't want my guys to get overly stressed and confused by a demanding infant, I will gradually introduce small changes to make them more comfortable and relaxed about it. We are going to share all the exercises we are doing over the next 8 months in order to make this huge lifestyle change smooth, easy and enjoyable for all of us.
I'm Fabia Feuerabend, an internationally certified dog trainer, behaviorist, nutritionist and canine fitness coach. As a busy mom of an ever-growing pack, I'm constantly trying to balance what I love, training dogs, my career, passion and interests, with who I love, my dogs, friends and family. Here are some of my tips and tricks for keeping the relationship to my dogs healthy, fit and fun while trying to balance it all.
Regular to brisk walking is considered one of the safest and also most effective exercises you can do during pregnancy. So what could be better than this to start train your dog? The very first thing we are going to work on is casual heeling. Okay, so let's get ready. Come on guys, come! First of all, choose the side you would like your dog to walk on. Classical heeling, your dog is on the left side at all times. But in reality it doesn't really matter. So, first of all, bring your dog next to you. And the shoulders should stay at about the height of your knee or of your leg at all times. Then you shorten the leash so your dog does not have a chance to get too distracted. And so start walking. Come. Nee, come. Good. Come. Yes. Good job. Yes. Your dog might be a bit overwhelmed in the beginning, especially if he isn't used to a disciplined walk. So you can see it as a nice impulse control exercise. And your dog will need a lot of this around a baby or toddler. Walk as if you have to go somewhere quickly. Like for example, you need to go to the bathroom. And ask your dog to follow. When you're walking and your dog is walking next to you nicely and paying attention to you, you can pass her a little snack once in a while. Make sure the snack you're using is small enough so your dog can swallow it immediately and doesn't need to stop to chew it. Come. Good job. Yay! Most dogs, once they get a hang of it, really like this style of walking. It gives them a sense of having something to do, as if they are on a mission. Your mission, to get your dogs ready for the arrival of your baby. Now, if your dog has issues when going on a walk, such as excessive pulling or leash reactivity, I strongly recommend you consult with a professional in your area who can give you hands-on support, as this could be dangerous and lead to a fall where you could hurt yourself or your baby. And now, please remember that this is your time, not your dog's. It is your time to exercise. Your dog is joining and supporting you. And that's my ultimate goal, that my dogs will be my reliable assistants when I bring my baby home. Your dog still needs to get and has earned his regular run or walk in the park, where he can just be a dog. Are you ready, guys? Ready? Show. Stella. Go! If you like this video and would like to see more free training videos in the future, please give us a thumbs up and click subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.